Hi everybody, I'm Vanessa with Ronquita Design, and today I'm going to be showing you the best way to cut with scissors when cutting out a pattern or cutting fabric. I'm left-handed, but I'll be showing you both left-handed and right-handed variations. So regardless of which hand you'll be cutting with, you want to make sure that your scissors are going to be on the outside of your pattern. So if I'm cutting with my right hand, I want to cut from right to left. And if I'm cutting with my left hand, I want to cut from left to right. And what that means is I want to have my scissors on the left hand side, if I'm cutting with my left hand, of my pattern. The same goes with my right hand. I want it on the right hand of my pattern piece if I'm cutting with my right hand. The reason is if I'm cutting with my right hand and I start on the left hand side, I cannot see my pattern piece. So I can cut probably just fine. However, what I see a lot of times is this piece of paper or the pattern piece itself will get slightly trimmed off over time, and if it keeps happening over and over, the pattern becomes smaller and smaller, affecting your size. The same thing happens if you're using your left hand and you're using your left hand to cut, but you're on the right hand side. You cannot see your pattern piece. You need to actually have it on the inside. So if I'm using my right hand, I'm going to start on the right hand side. I'm going to put my fabric just underneath my scissors. And also notice I'm going to be using small chomps when I cut. So I'm just doing small cuts to keep me going straight. This will help keep things stable and keep your cuts nice and clean. In addition to the small chomps, you want to use your surface as like a runway and use it again to keep your hands stable and keep things moving smoothly. Now that I've started on this side, I can just rotate my fabric and my pattern and keep going. If you have a larger pattern piece, of course this might not be as easy, but you still want to make sure you maintain the correct side while you're cutting. You may have to take a moment and adjust your pattern piece, bring it closer to you, which is fine because everything should be pinned. And there you go. So that's how you want to cut out your patterns and your fabric. Make sure with your right hand, start on the right hand side, left-handed, start on your left hand side. For more tips and tricks, follow me at Ronquita Design on Facebook and Instagram, or ronquita.biz for more information on classes.